can I return this?
What is this?
It's a shirt.
Oh, what's wrong with it?
It just doesn't fit.
Is the color wrong?
No, the color is okay, but the size is much small.
Oh, do you remember when you bought it?
I didn't.
You didn't buy it. Who bought it?
My friend bought it.
Do you remember when your friend bought it?
She bought it last week.
Oh, okay. Do you have the receipt?
As a matter of fact, I do.
Okay, good. Can I have the shirt and the receipt, please?
Yes.
Okay. So, do you want a larger size?
Can I get cash back instead?
No, I can give you a store credit.
What is that?
You bought the shirt for $19.99, right?
Yes, that's right.
So I can give you a coupon good for $19.99, or you can get a larger size.
I'll take the coupon, please.
Okay.